If there ever was a way to keep you covered during any kind of vehicle accident or occurrence, it's by hooking your ride up with a dash cam. It's simple and easy insurance to show your innocence and the guilt of others. In this episode, we go over the top 5 best dash cams into 2025. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to.
This is Techie Tech News. Engage.
Links to these products are listed in the description below, and please hit subscribe for more review videos. With all the investment and risk of owning a vehicle, whether it's for personal or work use, why would you not invest a few more bucks to keep a live record just in case one of life's little happy accidents happens to come down and give you a little kiss? There are so many people that get stuck in a position where it's a he said she said match with their insurance companies or the police. And all why? Because they have no way of proving their point and it just simply becomes a verbal stalemate. We say no more with the dash cam. Now you can simply show them a copy of the video and walk right out of the situation laughing. So, which dash cam should we consider? Well, we have already done the research and have picked out 5 different dash cams that we think you will love. Let's check them out. Dash cam number 5, VanTrue E1. Compact and sleek, the VanTrue E1 presents an appealing option in the realm of dash cams, boasting the capability to record 2.5K video at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it offers the option for full HD recording at a smoother 60 frames per second, ensuring detailed footage during your travels. Our assessment demonstrated consistently sharp visuals, whether in daylight or under low-level conditions, with accurate color reproduction and tolerable noise levels. Notably, the optional polarizing filter effectively minimizes distracting dashboard reflections, while the wide 160-degree angle lenses capture a comprehensive view of the road ahead. While the E1's magnetic mount performs admirably, its lack of sideways adjustment may pose a limitation if you're unable to position it centrally. A modest 1.54-inch screen provides a preview during installation, though the smartphone app provides a more versatile tool for adjusting settings. Unlike some other dash cams, the E1 doesn't feature driver-assisted systems, leaving it up to you or your vehicle to detect speed cameras and potential hazards. Nonetheless, the device offers Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, demonstrating VanTrue's commitment into prioritizing video quality over, we'll say, superficial features. Dashcam number 4, Nexar Pro. Geared towards individuals spending prolonged periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro offers a dual camera solution capable of recording both interior and exterior footage. Consisting of 2 distinct camera units linked by a cable, the setup, while occupying considerable screen space, maintains a tidy appearance. While it doesn't boast 4K recording capabilities, our testing revealed its 1080p video quality to be more than adequate. Even in challenging conditions such as heavy rain or intense sunlight, the external camera delivered commendable performance. Central to the dual camera functionality is the Nexar app, serving as the hub for adjusting settings, generating incident reports, and securely storing recorded clips in a cloud. By the way, Nexar includes cloud storage at no extra cost. Additional features like break-in alerts in case of tampering and GPS data logging enhance the overall utility of the system. While there are more affordable dash cameras on the market with fewer bells and whistles, if safeguarding your vehicle is paramount, the Nexar Pro stands out for its comprehensive protection and excellent value proposition. And dashcam number 3, Nextbase IQ. A sophisticated addition to your vehicle's security arsenal, the Nextbase IQ stands out as a feature-rich offering among dash cams. Available in 1, 2, and 4K models, it represents a premium solution equipped with a range of advanced functionalities. These include parking assist, a voice-activated witness mode, and the capability to remote monitor your vehicle via the Nextbase IQ app, along with GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Each variant includes an interior camera, with the option to add a rear-facing unit for comprehensive coverage. However, accessing a full spectrum of its capability requires a paid subscription, rendering the IQ a potential costly investment. Nonetheless, our evaluations revealed the IQ to be an impressive performer. Setup was straightforward, and the accompanying app facilitated easy access to a myriad of features. The 4K model we tested delivered exceptional footage and audio quality as expected. Powered directly from the vehicle's battery, the security system remains operational even when the engine is off. While it may be more than what many drivers require, for those seeking a comprehensive all-in-one solution for continuous vehicle monitoring, the Nextbase IQ stands out as a pinnacle of ingenuity. And dashcam number 2, Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is so compact it virtually disappears behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its diminutive size, it captures footage in full HD at 30 frames per second with HDR, delivering sharp imagery capable of distinguishing crucial details like license plates, regardless of lighting and weather conditions. Our testing revealed installation to be swift and straightforward, with its plastic arm occupying minimal windscreen space and its ball and socket joint facilitating effortless repositioning. While lacking a display, the interface remains user-friendly thanks to a shortcut button enabling one-touch clip saving and mic muting. Additionally, the Garmin Drive smartphone app, available for both iOS and Android, provides convenient access to setting adjustments, recording review, and live camera viewing. Though its feature set is somewhat restrained, compromising solely of voice controls and a G sensor for collision detection, the absence of GPS is the only notable omission. Unless advanced driver assistant features are indispensable to you, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers a compelling package with few compromises. Streamlined, inconspicuous, and dependable, it epitomizes the essence of set-and-forget technology. And dashcam number 1, Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW stands out as a premier choice among dashcams, boasting exceptional video quality and a top-tier feature set. During testing, its 4K 30 frames per second footage impressed us with its cinematic quality, offering crisp definition and remarkable detail. Furthermore, its low lighting and adverse weather algorithms enhance performance in challenging conditions. When you switch it to 1080p, we discovered the capability of capturing 120 frames per second slow motion footage, facilitating easier identification of details, such as registration numbers. Our review also highlighted the effectiveness of built-in polarizing filter in reducing windshield glare and the adaptiveness of digital image stabilization in mitigating road vibrations. While setup proved somewhat intricate and the 3-inch touchscreen necessitated deliberate swipe inputs, we found the 622GW to be user-friendly overall. Its interface is intuitive and the display is sizable, sharp, and clear. Moreover, the footage is automatically preserved upon detecting an incident. And with clever what 3 words integration, the 622GW can precisely pinpoint the location of distressed vehicles and relay it to emergency services. While there are sleeker alternatives with superior voice control, for those prioritizing clear 4K video capture, the 622GW emerges as our top recommendation in the dashcam market. This is a tough category as the competition is quite fierce and has led to some great technology by some of these manufacturers, with even more on the way. But overall, we feel strongly about the 5 models presented here today. So let's recap. Get the VanTrue E1 if all you want is the best low-profile 4K dashcam. Pick up the Nexar Pro if you're an on-the-road professional that's always on the move. Grab the Nextbase IQ if you're looking for an all-in-one dashcam with smart features. The Garmin Mini 2 is a great low-budget dashcam with options. And if you want the best overall dashcam, we feel the Nextbase 622GW offers a total package. We hope this video has given you insight towards your next dashcam purchase. And in saying that, which dashcam would you choose? Again, links to all of these items and our social media are posted in the video description box below. And when you're ready, check out the next video.